Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment and turn on your notification bell whenever I drop a video. As you can tell by today's title, I'll be showing you simple step-by-step way on how to put your your used lash as lash extension. So let's get straight into it.
I promise you, if you follow my step in fixing these lashes, bro, you're going to be getting classic extension, hybrid extension, volume or mega max. So this is just a step-by-step process. The first thing you need to have before fixing these lashes is you must have your mascara. The mascara is for you to brush out your lash, your real lash. So this is me trying to like fix it. This is the first set and boom, it got into my eyes. I will advise you, no matter what you do in this life when fixing your lashes, please be careful of the glue and your eyelid. Be very careful. The glue entered my eyes and it was a ill, like it took a whole turn on my face and everything. So you just have to be careful. Make sure you don't get the glue closer to your eyes. So this is me trying to fix the first part. This was me trying to like clean it and get the perfect coils that I want. Like I think I'm trying to make cat eyes. I was trying to make cat eyes here. Then I was trying to fix in the position, place it in the best part for the cat eyes to show. So as I told you, in any form of the lashes you're using, you can get your cat eyes, you can get whatsoever lash extension you want. It's just for you to place it in the right form. Basically, yeah, I feel like me going to a lash tech to fix my lashes for me when I'm not even going to a big location is like wasting of money, when I can literally just take my glue and my fixing equipment and do it for myself. At this point, I was trying to like make a perfect cat eye lash. Actually, I'm not going anywhere if you ask me. So this is a perfect lash for me, for staying at home, for doing videos. So this is the best lash for me. But if you want to go for important occasion or any other thing, just go to your lash tech. Don't say Dr. Tife has taught me how to fix lashes. Now you're not going to do rubbish. But you can also try and make it like this. Okay, so I was trying to like get the, as I said, perfect cat eye and trying to like clean all the unnecessary drama around it. And look at it, it's looking so pretty. I'm looking so pretty. Oh, my hand is filled with glue. I was like, see if I want top just these lashes. Then I think this is the last set. I was trying to place. I did the last one and continued like that, and I know you can see the way I'm doing it. Please follow this step. It's an easy process. Can you see I'm tearing up because glue entered my eyes? Oh my god, I was just trying to make the video perfect. I don't want to start tearing, like I don't want the water to drop. That's why I keep sneezing. So watch till the end and see the beautiful outcome of these cat eyes. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep watching though. I love you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. Mwah.